is big. Holy smack. I mean, that is huge. Jeez. Yeah, it's pretty neat. Yeah, man, so they said that these crack open. Just like that. That's pretty neat. So they come in on protector, which is nice. Well, I'm not getting them. Even this is 1 and 2, I mean, they look nice, but nah. I'm leaving. Pretty cool, man. I mean, I don't want them right now, but eventually I'll get them just to have them. But yeah, anyway, one more stop at Wally before I go to work. I gotta finish uploading this video for y'all. We got a greenie. We got a greenie. Let's clean up this mess. This top man, I came across this, so let's see what else we find anymore. Just a Lone Ranger. And that's it. So, this is right there in the back. Pretty cool. They got the wheel jack. Look at that. Nice. I can't do too much recording because of the music, but they got the new 8-packs instead of 9-packs. Nice. So we got these. Look at this super right there. Lead them, I already got them all. Let's see what they got. Man, this is crazy, but this is an old pack. It gotta be. They're just sitting here. But check this out. Is this old too? I mean, you ain't find that. Right here too, though. This might have been a return. I'm trying to find it. Let's see here, the three. Yeah, here these are Jada as well. We don't need those. We got those right there. Look at that. Same man. Three of them. Three Z-Max. That's what I thought. I see a couple Z-Max cases over there. So let me see what I find here. Hopefully I find a treasure to the H. Let's see, give me a second, be right back. Like somebody went through these already. But I didn't find no supers, no treasures, no Civic. Just these right here. I'm leaving now, I don't need any more, but well, that's gonna be an opener combi. Is that a treasure hunt too? Just sitting there? It is. Huh. Well, that's strange. I'm gonna take them though. Well, these seem some strange things today, man. No chase, no chase. No. I really found a chase of that one. There's hollows everywhere. Let's see, truck. The Firebird in the back, too bad it's not showing. That's it, man. Nothing else here. If I see anything, I'll holler back. It's 8:20 in the morning. I'm tired as ever. And hope you guys liked yesterday's video. I did. Put a lot of work into it. And I'm just actively hunting the J-Case Toyota Supra. So whatever else I find is a bonus, man. But I'm just looking for that Supra right now. Let's hit this target.